If you're looking for the perfect property where you can set up a homestead, you don't even have to set it up because this one is ready for you and it's gorgeous. This gorgeous homestead on over 22 acres is so cute, and I helped these sellers buy this house. It's a 1940s house. They came in, gutted it to the studs, and completely redid it. You're gonna love it. So, if you want some land, this house has 22 plus acres. Back at the back is a creek. You've got fruit trees. You've got an outbuilding over here that's pretty new. You have a barn. You have a chicken coop, a pig pen, and Sweet Pea the pig can stay if you want her to. And even a greenhouse, gardens, a storm shelter, RV hookups, a pond. What more could you want?
And we know that it's all